When you prepare a waiver without using a U.S. waiver lawyer, there's one legal danger that can have a devastating impact on your ability to travel to the United States. I'm going to let you know what that danger is in this video. I'm Dan Joffe, U.S. waiver lawyer. If you're looking for expert advice on traveling to the United States without stress, schedule a free call with me. Links in the video description. Let's get started. Let me start by giving some important context. I'm often asked, can I apply for a U.S. waiver myself? In other words, do I need to hire a U.S. waiver lawyer? And the answer is no. There's no legal requirement that obligates you to hire a U.S. waiver lawyer. And the main benefit is that you will save money by preparing the U.S. waiver application yourself. But there is risk. Let me show you a warning from the U.S. Customs and Border Protection that is shown to you before you submit your U.S. waiver application. Quote, carefully review your application and all uploaded documents prior to certifying. Once certified, your application will be locked and you will not be able to make any changes. The key word here is locked. You can't change your U.S. waiver application after you submit it. It becomes a permanent record with the U.S. CBP. So you can't make mistakes. And you only have one chance to get it right. When you look at the U.S. waiver application, you'll see it's more than just filling out a form. It requires a lot of documentation. And what the CBP needs in each of these documents is different based on your specific situation. There is no one-size-fits-all templates that you can use. You need to craft a cohesive legal narrative, and your documentation needs to reflect the strategy that applies to you. Think of your U.S. waiver application like putting together a puzzle. Each document you need, like your personal statement, recommendation letters, and other supporting documentation, is a puzzle piece. Now, your goal to complete this puzzle is to reveal a clear picture of you. And that picture has to meet specific legal criteria laid out in the U.S. immigration law. Just like in a puzzle, each piece has to fit just right. In the same way, every document in your U.S. waiver application must come together to tell a clear story to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection. And here's the risk. If even one piece doesn't fit right, like in a puzzle, the whole picture gets unclear. And the US CBP will notice this, and it could lead to a rejection. The tricky part is not just finding all the right pieces, but making sure that they fit together in a way that meets the US CBP's legal criteria for success. And keep in mind, once you submit your puzzle, there's no taking any piece back. The US CBP's warning is a reminder to double check every piece before you submit because there's no chance to fix it later. Every document you submit either helps complete your story or makes it confusing, and one wrong piece could lead to your US waiver getting rejected. Now, in our law firm, we understand what the US CBP is looking for to approve your US waiver application. And what we do is we apply the same legal framework to prepare your application, which maximizes your chances of success in getting you traveling to the United States. If you need help with your US waiver application, reach out to book a free call.